So this lady at the library had nerve to tell me, shh, everybody can hear you. Telling me, shh, everybody can hear me. I talk in this bathroom all the time. But then they don't have any problem when all those times I would try to study or research something or try to watch a YouTube video and they would talk super loud. And it's like they would be the staff and they would talk super loud, but this is a fucking new lady right here talking about everybody can be quiet because everybody can hear you. When all the time when I used to come here and the staff themselves would talk loud. Such hypocrisy.